Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my video. My name is Xavier. I am 18 years old. I am from Santa Marta, Colombia. I am a student at the University of Magdalena. Right now, I am in my living room. My family and I spend a lot of time here. Our living Our living room is comfortable and cozy. This is my favorite place in my house. This is my cell phone. I use it every day. This here my notebooks. I use them for my class. That is a painting on the wall is very beautiful. Those are the chairs in your living room. They are very comfortable. This is my brother. His name is Jesus. He is 16 years old. He is very funny and he is my best friend. Our relationship is very special to me. Goodbye, everyone.